In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text in video in Vid.io. Whether you're trying to hide a watermark, cover up a typo, or simply remove some on-screen text you no longer want, I'll walk you through a couple of practical methods you can use directly inside the Vid editor. First, open Vid.io in your browser and load the video where you want to remove the text. Make sure it's fully imported into the editor and that you can see it both in the main preview window and down on the timeline. This is where you'll be doing all your adjustments. If the text is baked into the footage, meaning it's part of the video image itself and not a separate text layer, one simple approach is to crop it out by resizing the video. This works best when the text is close to the edge of the frame, like a corner label or a small watermark, and when you're okay with losing a little bit of the video on the sides. Click on your video clip, either directly in the preview or on the timeline. Once it's selected, you'll see resize handles appear around the video in the preview area. Click and drag those handles inward to zoom in slightly on your footage. As you drag, keep an eye on the text you want to remove and adjust until it's no longer visible in the frame. Take your time to find a balance between hiding the text and keeping the important parts of your video in view. Play back a few seconds to make sure everything still looks natural. If cropping doesn't work for your situation or the text is closer to the center of the screen, another option is to cover the text using elements. Look over to the left-hand panel in Vid and click on the Elements tab. Here you can add shapes, stickers, or even upload your own logo or an image. Choose a shape like a rectangle or another element that fits your style. Click to add it to your canvas, then drag it over the area where the unwanted text appears. Resize the element by dragging its corners until it completely covers the text. You can change the color so it matches your background more closely, or use a logo or graphic that feels intentional rather than just a block. Next, go down to the timeline and adjust the duration of that element. Stretch or shorten it so that it stays on screen exactly for as long as the text is visible in your video. Scrub through and play it back to confirm the text is hidden the entire time. And that's it. By either slightly cropping your video or covering the text with elements, you can clean up your footage quickly and easily using Vid.io.